How to use online checkout on Square. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use online checkout on Square. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Square account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will run to the page, the checkout page automatically. So on this page, you can see a calculation asking you to add the number of the amounts of money or the amounts that you would like to send to people. So as you can see this, the next step is move to the lower part of the screen where you can see four icons, namely checkout, transactions, notifications, more. So just go ahead and click on the more option. Now, after clicking on the more option, you'll be taken to the profiles page or the more page where you can see welcome back my business, orders, reports, items, customers, etc. Just go ahead and click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to your settings page. On this page, the first option that you will see is checkout. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, as you click on it, you'll be brought to this page. Now, as a Nigerian, which I am, there are some features that are not yet available on this my Square account, all right, for Nigerians generally, and that is the online ordering. All right, normally you should see online ordering on this list here and a toggle next to it or a yes or no option. So for you, once you see, just go ahead and turn on the toggle, all right, so that you can have access to online ordering as well as online checkout on Square. So once you've turned it on, you can now go ahead to connect a payment processor to your website or to your application to collect payments online. All right, so this is basically how to do it. This is how you can use online checkout on Square. Thanks for watching and have a good day.